Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, in this question we have to calculate the mass of limestone in kg that would be required to completely neutralize 15.5 billion liter lake. So the solution is as follows. To determine the mass of limestone needed to neutralize the acids in the lake, we must consider stoichiometry of the reaction between limestone and acid. So balanced equation for the reaction is CaCO3 plus H2SO4 will give CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Now, from the equation, we see that 1 mole of CaCO3 reacts with 1 mole of H2SO4. This means that the number of moles of limestone needed will be equal to number of moles of H2SO4 present in the lake. First, let's count the moles of H2SO4 present in the lake. We state that the lake has a volume of 15.4 billion liters and concentration of 1.9 into 10 power minus 5 molar in H2SO4. So now we can calculate moles of H2SO4. Moles of H2SO4 equals volume in liter into molarity, which is equal to 15.4 into 10 power 9 liters into 1.9 into 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 292600 moles. Similarly, we can calculate the moles of HNO3. That is, we state that the lake has a concentration of 8.6 in 10 power minus 6 molar in HNO3. So moles of HNO3 equals volume in liter into molarity. Substituting the values, 15.4 into 10 power 9 into 8.6 into 10 power minus 6, which is equal to 132440 moles. Now, since CaCO3 reacts with H2SO4 in a 1:1 ratio, moles of limestone needed will be equal to sum of moles of H2SO4 and HNO3. That is, moles of limestone equals moles of H2SO4 plus moles of HNO3. Substituting, we have 292600 mole plus 132440 mole. So this equals 425,040 moles. So now we got the moles of limestone. We have molar mass. Molar mass of CaCO3 is 100.09 gram per mole. So weight of limestone required can be calculated as follows. Mass of limestone equals moles of limestone into molar mass, which is equal to 425040 into 100.09, which is equal to 4254253.6 grams. So this is equal to approximately equal to 42000000 grams. So which is approximately equal to 42,000 kg, since we need the weight in kilograms. So therefore our answer is approximately 42,000 kg of limestone would be required to neutralize the 15.4 billion liter lake, which is 1.9 into 10 power minus 5 molar in H2SO4 and 8.6 into 10 power minus 6 molar in HNO3. So this is the final answer. Hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.